Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do unit 3 of your maths wise HCF and LCM. HCF stand for highest common factor and LCM stand for least common multiple. Exercise number 1. Fill in the blanks. All even numbers, all multiples of 2. Factors of a number, divide it without leaving any. Factors of a number, divide without leaving any remainder. LCM, least common multiple of 6 and 9, 18. 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18. The first multiple of 7 is 7. 7 1s are 7. ACF of 8 and 24. Highest common factor of 8 and 24. 8 and 24 is 8. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20 are all dash of the number of 4. Dash of the number of multiples of the number of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 are all multiple of the number 4. We cannot divide any number by 0. The largest 2-digit composite number is 99. 2 digits में largest composite number 99 होते हैं. The smallest prime number is 2. Smallest prime number is 2. ACF, highest common factor of 13 and 15 equal 1. 13 1s are 13, 15 1s are 15. 13 प्राइम फैक्टर है जो अपने अलावा किसी पर डिवाइड नहीं होता, तो इसलिए 1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 13. और 5 जो है ये ओड नंबर्स है, 5 पर भी जाता है और 3 पर भी इसको जो है वो डिवाइड किया जाता है. एक्सरसाइज 2. फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ दिस पेयर बाय लिस्टिंग द मल्टीपल्स 10 and 15. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45. Least common multiple, the common factors 30. Least common multiple 30. 8 and 12. 8 table of 18. 8 1s are 8, 8 2 16, 8 3 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40 and so on. 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 and so on. LCM 24, 24. Least common multiple 24. 6 and 10. 6 and 10. 6, 5, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 1s are 6 only, sorry 5 नहीं है, 6 है. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36 and so on. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40 and so on. Least common multiple 30. 7 and 12. 7. The table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60, 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96, 12 9s are 108 and 12 10s are 120 and so on. The least common multiple 84 and 84. So LCM 84. Least common multiple is a 84. Exercise 3 and 4. Exercise 3. 20 and 25. Solution 20 and 25. 20. 1 20s are 20. 2 10s are 20. 4 5s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 10 2s are 20. 21s are 20. 25. 125 is 25, 5 5 is 25. Highest common factor 5 and 5. And question number 2, 14 and 49. 14, 1 14 is 14, 2 7 is 14, 7 2 is 14, 49, 1 49 is 49, 7 7 is 49. Highest common factor 7. Highest common factor 7. 33 and 77. 33, 1 33 is 33, 3 1s are 3, 3 3 11 is 33, 11 3s are 33. 77, 1 77 is 77, 7 11s are 77, 11 7s are 77. Highest common factor 11. Question number 4, 12 and 18. 12 and 18. 1 12 is 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12. 18, 1 18 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18, 18 1 is 18. Highest common factor 6. Highest common factor 6. Exercise number 4. How many factors does each number have? 18. 18 6 factors. 1 2 3 6 9 18. 6 1 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 18. 1 18 is 18, 2 9 is 18, 3 6 is 18, 6 3 is 18, 9 2 is 18, 1 2 3 6 9 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 factors. And 20. 20 6 factors. 1 20 is 20, 2 10s are 20, 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 10 2s are 20. 6 factors. 36. 36 equal 9 factors. 1 36 are 36, 2 18s are 36, 3 12s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 6 6 are 36. 9 factors. 4. Question 4. 24. 8 factors. 1 24 is 24, 2 12s are 24, 3 8s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Total 8 factors. Exercise 4. रूल है, रूल नंबर 8, रूल नंबर 9 एंड रूल नंबर 10. रूल नंबर 5 and rule number more test divisibility. Rule number, the digits in the units place must be divisible by 2. In other words, all even numbers is divisible by 2. 74, 4 is divisible by 2, therefore 74 is divisible by 2. Rule number 4, the number formed by the digits in the tens and units place should be divided by 4. 74 2 4, last 2 4. 24 is divisible by 4. 4 6 are 24 is always divisible by 4, therefore 724 is divisible by 4. Rule number 5, a number is divisible by 5 if the digit in the units place is 5 or 0, 75 or 90. Rule number 6. Rule number 10. Rule number 6, a number divisible by 6 if it is even and divisible by 3. Rule number 3, a number is divisible by 3 if sum of the digit is divisible by 3 and divisible. Rule number 8, similarly 1000 is always divisible by 8. 7248 to 48 is divisible by 8. 8 6 are 48, divisible by 8. Rule number 9, same it is. And rule number 11, a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of two sets of alternate digits is either or 0 or a multiple of 11. 90 and 827, sum of the first set of alternate 8 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7, 24. Sum of second set alternate digits 0 plus 2, 24 minus 2 equal 2. So 11 to the 22, therefore 90,827 is divisible by 11. Exercise 5, number units 5 and 8. Exercise 5, 15,666 86 by 3. No, 3 टेबल इसको 3 कंप्लीट डिवाइड नहीं करता, 4 कंप्लीट डिवाइड नहीं करता, 6 कंप्लीट डिवाइड नहीं करता, 9 कंप्लीट डिवाइड नहीं करता, 11 कंप्लीट डिवाइड करता है. And 67,800, yes, 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 no and no. Same it is question number 3, yes, by 3. 20,058 divided by 3. 28,000 is not divisible by 4. 20,058 is divisible by 6. 20,058 is not divisible by 9. 20,058 is not divisible by 11. Same it is, same questions 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8. 12,609 is divisible by 3. 3 6 are 12, 3 2 the 6, 0, 3 3 the 9. Yes. And 12,609 is not divisible by 4. 12,609 is not divisible by 6. 12,609 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. 10, 11, 12. 3 carry 36. 9 fours are 36. 0, 9 ones are 9. And question number 9. 1,870 is not divisible by 3, is not divisible by 4, is not divisible by 6, is not divisible by 9, is 1,870 is divisible by 11. 11 ones are 11, 7 carry, 11 7 are 77, 0 carry down. So 11 is divisible by 1,870. Exercise 8. Find the HCF LCM relationship of their pairs of numbers 12 and 9. 2 6 are 12, 12 and 9. 2 6 are 12, 9 it is. 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 1 are 3. LCM 2 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3 equal 36. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 3 is 9. Highest common factor 3 and LCM 36. Product of two numbers 12 multiplied by 9, 12 9s are 108 and 36 multiplied by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 3 6 are 8. 36 divide 3, 108, 108. 36 multiplied by 3, 108. 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 6 are 9, 9 1 10, 109 108. Question number 2. 30 and 45. 30 and 45. 2 15s are 30, 45 carry on. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 5 ones are 5. LCM 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. 30 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and 45 3 multiplied 3 multiplied by 5. ACF highest common factor 3 multiplied by 5, 3 5s are 15. Product numbers, product of their LCM ACF 3 multiplied by 45, 1350. 90 multiplied by 15, 15 zeros are 15, 15 nines are 135. So 1350 to prove that left hand side equal right hand side. Exercise 8 and 9. Exercise 8. (16 and 24). 16 24. 2 8 the 16, 2 12 the 24, 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 1 the 2, 3 3 3 1 the 3. LCM 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 3s are 48. 16 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 24 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Common factors 2 2 and 2. ACF 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Product of two numbers equal product of their LCM and ACF. 16 multiplied by 24, 384, 48 multiplied by 8, 8 8 the 64, 4 carry down and 6 carry, 8 4 the 32, 32 and 6 38, 384, 384, 60 and 75 LCM and ACF. 60 and 75, 5 ones are 5, 1 carry, 5 to the 10, 5 ones are 5, 2 carry, 5 5 the 25, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 60 and 75 LCM. 2 3 the 6 0 and 75 carry down, 3 10s are 30, 3 2 the 6, 1 carry, 3 5 the 15, 2 5 the 10, 25 carry down, 5 1s are 5, 5 5 the 25, 5 1s are 5 LCM. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 12 5 the 60, 65 the 300, 65 0 0, 5 6 the 30, 300 ACF. 3 multiplied by 5, 3 5 the 15. Product of two numbers, product of their LCM and ACF. 65 multiplied by 75 equal 4500. 300 multiplied by 15, 15 0 0, 15 0 0, 15 3 the 45, so 4500. Exercise 9. The product of two number is 120 and their LCM is 40. What is their ACF? Product of two number equal 120. LCM least common multiple equal 40. ACF question mark, find the value of ACF. ACF product of two numbers divide least common multiple. 120 divide 40, 0 से 0 cancel, 4 3 the 12, 3 is your ACF. Highest common factor is 3. If the product of two number is 360 and their ACF is 6, what is their LCM? Product of two number is 360, their ACF 6, their LCM question mark, find the value of LCM. LCM product of two numbers divide highest common factor 360 divide 6, divide 6 10s are 60, 6 6 the 36, 0 carry, 6 the 36 0 carry, so 60 is your LCM. 60 is your LCM least common multiple. The ACF of pair of number is 4 and their LCM is 60. One of the number is 12, find the other number. Their ACF 4, LCM 60, first number 12, second number question mark, find the value of second number. Second number ACF multiply by LCM divide first number. ACF 4, LCM 60 divide 12, 60 multiply by 4 divide 12, 12 5s are 60, 4 multiply by 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 is the other number, square number, 20 is the other number. Exercise 9 and 10. Exercise 9 and 10. The number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64 are called square numbers. Real life problem solving the ACF and LCM. ACF and LCM. ACF is used to solve real life problems like these: biggest pieces cut from two unequal pieces of cloth, ribbon, wire, etc. Number of kids in a party, orphan camp, among home thing are to be distributed equally. Capacity measure of the largest cup to measure equal amounts from two contents. LCM is used to solve real life problems like these: a set of bells chimes at different intervals. They start together at say 7 a.m. What is the first time when these bells will chime together again? Traffic lights will change signals together after starting together. Least number of books needed to arrange them into piles of different numbers. Exercise number 10. Exercise number 10. A bell chimes after every 10 minutes, another one after 12 minutes, and a third one after every 15 minutes. They come together at 10:30 a.m. when they will come together next. The first bell chimes after every 10 minutes, that at intervals of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. The second bell chimes after intervals 12, 12 10 to the 20, 10 to the 30, 10 for the 40, 10 5 the 50, 10 6 the 60 and so on. 12 1 the 12, 12 2 the 24, 12 3 the 36, 12 4 the 48 and 12 5 the 60. The third bell chimes after interval of 15, 30, 45 and 60, so they will chime together after 60 minutes or after 1 hour. Therefore, if they first chime together at 10:30 a.m., they will chime together next at 11:30 a.m. Question number 2. Students of 4 sections of class 6 were combined and then divided into 3 groups of 9, 12 and 15 for 3 different projects. In each case, 5 students were left. After the grouping was done, find the total number of students in class 6, given that there can be a maximum of 50 children in each section. The minimum number of students needed to make 3 groups 9, 12 and 15 is equal to their least common multiple. Now we find their least common multiple by division method. 9, 12, 15. 2 6 are 12, 9 carried on and 5 carried on. 2 3 are 6, 9 carried on and 15 carried on. 3 3 the 9, 3 5 are 15, 5 1 are 5. Therefore, LCM of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36, 36 5 the 180. Also 5 students are left behind. Therefore, total number of students 180 plus 5, 185. Question number 3. Some notebooks have to be arranged in complete piles with 9 or 12 or 18 per pile. What is the least number of books needed to do this? The least number of books needed to make piles with 9 or 12 or 18 per pile is equal to the LCM of these numbers. Now we find LCM of 9, 12 and 18. 2 6 are 12, 9 carried on and 2 9s are 18. 9 carried on, 2 3 are 6, 9 carried on and 9 carried on. 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Least common multiple 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 3 the 36. Minimum number of books need least number of books, या minimum number of books need 36. Exercise 10. Maniza brought 83 books and 107 toys to distribute to all the children in an orphan. After distributing them equally, she found that 3 books and 7 toys were left over. Find the number of the children in the orphan. How many of each toy did each child get? Total number of books distributed 83 minus 3 equal 80. Total number of toys distributed 107 minus 7 equal 100. We find ACF of 80 and 100. We find the largest number of children. They divide 80 and 100 equally. 80, 2 4 the 8 0, 2 to the 4 0, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 5s are 10 0, 2 to the 4 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 80 and 100. 82 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Common number 2, 2 and 5. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. Number of children at orphan 20. Number of toys each child got equal 100 divide 20 equal 5. Question number 5. 2 tanks contain 180 and 200 of water respectively, what will be the maximum capacity of the bucket that can exactly measure the water in the two tanks? How many times will the bucket have to be filled to empty the tanks? The maximum capacity of the bucket that can exactly measure the water into two tanks is equal to ACF of 180 and 200. First we find their ACF. 180 divide 20, 2 9s are 18, 0 0, 20 9s are 180. So highest common factor is 20. Therefore the capacity of bucket 20 liter, total water in two tanks 180 plus 200 liter. 180 plus 200 equals 380 liters. Number of times bucket has to be filled to empty the two tanks. 380 divide 20, 0 0 से cancel, 2 19s are 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 9s are 18, 2 19s are 38. Raheel does not shut the taps properly and water start to drip. A drop of water comes out of the first tap after every 5 seconds and from the second tap after every 6 seconds. After two drops fall together from both the taps, when will be the first time that two drops will fall again and when will be the second time? The first drop fall after interval 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. The second drop fall after interval 6, 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 6 3 are 18, 6 4 are 24, 6 5 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54 and 6 10s are 60. Therefore first time they fall together after 30 seconds and second time after 60 seconds. Exercise 10, question number 7. Which greatest number divided both 55 and 73, leaving remainder 7 and 9 respectively? Solution: the number divides 55 and 73, leaving remainder 7 and 9. Therefore it divides 55 minus 7 equal 48, 73 minus 9 equals 64. Hence the required number is the ACF of 48 and 64. 64 divide 48, 48 ones are 48, 64 less 48 equal 16. 16 48 वैल्यू जो है अंडर कैरी करेंगे, 16 वहाँ 16, 16 to the 32, 16 3s are 48. So highest common factor is 16. The required number equal 16. Question number 8. There are 3 Dahlia plants in a flower bed. A flower blooms on the first one every 2 days, on the second one every 3 days and on the third one every 6 days. If all 3 plants are blooming today, when will be the next time they will bloom again? The blooming intervals of first plant are 2, table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12 and so on. The blooming intervals of the second plant are 3, table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and so on. The blooming intervals of third plants are 6, table of 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and so on. Therefore they bloom together on every 12th day, which is the least common multiple of 2, 3 and 6. 2, 3 and 6. Therefore if they bloom today on every 12th day, which is LCM 2, 3 and 6, therefore if they bloom today, then after 12 days they bloom together again. together again. And last exercise number 10. Last question is 8. Therefore if they bloom today, then after 12 days they bloom together again. Okay students, now we have completed our unit 3. Make sure the practice at your home. Take care yourself at your home.